Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today I just wanted to have a look at just some British coins. Now, some of these coins I actually come across when I go and return coins to the bank. I do have lots of British coins, but these are the current circulating coins. And but there's something really cool about these coins, and it wasn't till I was shown this that my eyes were open to it. But especially some of these smaller ones, when I go back and I bring back my coins, I find these things sitting in the machine. So they're ones that haven't been able to be drawn through, and they might have been in with just some regular coins and regular Australian coins, and obviously they don't go through the machine. This was one I was given, but it's one of the new £1 coins, and it's dated 2016, but I'm pretty sure it came out in 2017. There was something about this particular coin at the time, but it's a beautiful looking coin. And but what I really want to show you is these coins they actually make a puzzle if you line them up correctly. So let's have a look, and we'll try and make this puzzle. So let's start with this one here. We'll put this aside for now. Alright, so we've got this one here, which is the 10 pence, and we'll just show you up close. It's a 2015, this one. Okay, we've got a 10 pence there. And we got here, this is the 2 pence. I think it did start in 2008, so this will be the first ones with this design on. So if we place this one up here and we try and line it all up, and we got 50 pence. This one's from 2014. I know this one goes down here somewhere. And this one here is what I find more commonly. So this is the 5 pence coin. So keep an eye out for these coins when you're returning coins to the bank, especially with the machines. As I said, they don't go through. So they get trapped down the bottom where you collect the coins that are either damaged or underweight. So this is the 1 penny coin. I just love the design of these coins. And this one will go here. And hopefully by now you can see what's happening. And we've got one more to look at and add in, which is the 20 pence coin. This one's dated 2016. This one here dated 2011, and you can see that they've changed over the effigy. So, and even the positioning of the date. So, all right, let's pop this one in place to finish it off. And we'll try and make it even. Now, as you can see there, it forms a puzzle. So we'll just go in a bit closer here and we'll have a closer look at it. So you can see there that this particular shield is called the British Shield of Arms. Now I'll straighten up that one in the middle there just to make things right. Alright, fairly happy with that. So it's a pretty cool design, and so you need each of the coins to make that design. I haven't found each of the correct years, but these are all differently yeared coins. But it's a pretty cool design, and thought it was worthwhile sharing. If you haven't come across this, or if you haven't travelled to the UK, I've got a friend who was born in the UK who went and fetched me some of these coins so I could make it, and he wasn't even aware that this even was on the coins. So there are certainly British people out there who are not aware. So yeah, I thought I'd bring that one to your attention. Alright guys, hope you have a good day, and look forward to bringing more videos to you soon.